Big Ben is one of the most iconic landmarks in the United Kingdom. Contrary to popular belief, Big Ben is not the name of the clock tower itself, but rather the nickname of the great bell housed within the tower. The official name of the tower is the Elizabeth Tower, renamed in 2012 in honor of Queen Elizabeth II's Diamond Jubilee. The tower was originally known as the Clock Tower. The Elizabeth Tower is part of the Palace of Westminster, which is the meeting place of the House of Commons and the House of Lords, the two houses of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. The tower was completed in 1859 and stands at 96 meters, 316 feet, tall. The Great Bell, Big Ben, weighs 13.7 tons and is 2.7 meters in diameter. The bell was cast in Whitechapel Bell Foundry, which is one of the oldest manufacturing companies in Britain. The clock mechanism was designed by Edmund Beckett Denison and George Airy, with assistance from clockmaker Edward John Dent. The clock's accuracy is renowned, and it has rarely stopped working since its installation. The clock has 4 faces, and each face has a diameter of 7 meters. The minute hands are 4.2 meters long, and the hour hands are 2.7 meters long. The numerals on the clock face are 60 centimeters tall. The clock is wound 3 times a week by hand. Big Ben has become a symbol of British culture and parliamentary democracy. It has been featured in numerous films, television programs, and other forms of media. It also serves as a focal point for New Year's Eve and Remembrance Day celebrations. In 2021, the Elizabeth Tower underwent a major renovation that included cleaning and repairing the stonework, as well as repainting the clock faces and installing energy-efficient lighting. The renovation aimed to preserve the historical and architectural integrity of the structure while making it more environmentally sustainable. The project was completed in 2022, ensuring that Big Ben will continue to chime for future generations.